What's up, guys? Welcome back to the kitchen. I know I haven't shown you what I've been doing in my kitchen lately, but that's what you're going to get today. I want to show you a quick little meal here. So I just basically cleaned out my fridge. We do need to go get groceries soon, so it's just like, what do we got? What can we do? So here's an example of what you guys can do when you're almost out of food. I got some arugula, I got a few eggs, and I had some slow-cooked chicken here that's shredded up that I'm going to use. I have, for vegetables, a red pepper, got an avocado there that is looking a little nasty, but it's all good. And then I got some turkey bacon. So let's see what I'm going to make out of this food.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode. So we also added a little onion here. We got our red pepper. And you may think, oh, this takes so long to chop these up. It doesn't take long when you got a food processor. Chop them up. Just like big chunks like that, takes you 2 seconds. You guys are watching this live. Boom! Into the food processor. This goes. Oh! Sure! Done. I know you guys are going to ask me questions. What food processor do you have? So I'm going to put the link to the one that we use, just like an Amazon link or something, down in the video description below. Let's move on. So next up, we're going to get the bacon ready. So I'm using, like I said, turkey bacon here. Boo just got home. Say what's up to the vlog.
Hello.
Oh, Bruni's eating the bacon. Oh, this is a gong show here.
Bro, nope. You can't resist a little bacon juice.
So while that bacon's cooking, just cracked a couple eggs, 3 eggs, just diced up some avocado. That doesn't go in the food processor, but that takes 2 seconds to do. Are you hungry?
You betcha.
Okay. I was telling them, this is a creation when you go into the fridge, you don't know what you have, you just take it out, put it on the counter, and you get creative.
You always come up with something good, Boo.
Add in the onion mixture. Add in some of that shredded chicken just to reheat it back up. Let's spice this bad boy up with some black pepper, some pink Himalayan sea salt, and I've been feeling curry lately. Let's go with a little curry. Every time I add my eggs to the pan, I like to make sure the pan is not too hot, so it's on like medium low right now. So when you add the eggs, it shouldn't like sizzle when it hits it. It should just be on there and just slowly heat. And so the stuff that I'm gonna put inside of the egg is right here. Flip the egg, added some more curry, some pepper, and some paprika in there. And then we should be good to add this guy right here and eat.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous.
Presenting your gains. I'm gonna cut this in half, give Boo half of it, and we're both gonna share gains together.
Yeah, buddy.
A family that gets gains stays together. I don't know if that sounded right, but let's eat.
Get in my belly.
How is it, babe?
Good, it's great. Yeah, yummy.
Yeah.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming.